Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to welcome you from sunny Kazakhstan. I express gratitude to organizers for the given opportunity to make acquaintance with the new companies, to exchange experience and ideas. The holding of such a large-scale forum has become possible due to rapid development of IT technologies. Our company, AIO Corporation, works in the IT sphere and creates mobile applications which help people solve their urgent issues quickly and efficiently in any country of the world. Microphone application is your assistant in organization of any events. MedApp will help you find highly qualified specialists in the field of medicine not only in your native city, but far beyond it. Tourism and sports will choose the most interesting routes for you in your native area and in any point of the world, including extreme tours, food tours, exotic tours, and many others. Superwork will help you find the desired job in any country without intermediaries owing to a chat created by AIO Corporation. In all applications, there is a chat with a multi-language translator. At the present time, there is a chat on 7 languages. In the future, the number of languages will be increased. The mobile application SvistOK is a search engine with a neural system. Download our applications with Play Market and the App Store and enjoy using them. I wish you to have a nice time, great success and new achievements. Sincerely yours, AIO Corporation.
Kazakhstan company AIO Corporation. We create successful world-class IT products and give people the opportunity to make money on innovative technologies, investments and advertising. People fall asleep and wake up with phones. They live on mobile applications, and our task is to make this life comfortable and profitable. The key feature of our IT products is their focus on the global market. One of these applications is the microphone. It helps users to organize an event in any city very quickly. You will find in it colorful and intuitive multi-language interface, extensive functionality, chat with users from all over the world, base with offers in 6 categories. To start investing in the application, just download it, register and go to the Internal Investment Exchange. AIO Corporation represents 5 successful and relevant products for different niches, more than 1 million users worldwide, hundreds of thousands of advertisers and several thousands of investors. Thanks to the referral system for advertising agent, the number of advertisers is constantly increasing and the company's profit is growing, being distributed among investors. Investing in mobile applications is one of the most promising ways to quickly reach high passive income. Download the microphone and start investing today. AIO Corporation, a promising, bright and successful future is close by.
The Med app combines everything necessary to search for qualified medical care and receive online consultation. Download the application through the App Store and Google Play platforms and use it well. The Tour and Sport app gives you an opportunity to find everything you need for tourism and sport in a fast way. It includes last-minute tours, airline tickets, sports sections, travel agencies, and much more. Tour and Sport is available on all App Store and Google Play platforms. The SvistOK app combines everything you need for a convenient job and staff searching. It allows you to find more than 1 million vacancies and resumes in Kazakhstan. Save your time with the SvistOK app. AIO Corporation, innovational company, presents. Please welcome. SvistOK Neural Search System will determine your interest with the interest of other people in a few seconds, and you can sell or buy whatever you want. The system will make a call itself, and you will receive advantageous offers, choosing and the best of them. SvistOK is a search platform that allows you to find goods and services on the internet in a few clicks. And the most important is that the SvistOK app gives you an opportunity to carry out mass advertising mailing to 10,000 contacts with any text converting into voice message in a few seconds. Download from App Store and Play Market. SvistOK Neural Search System saves your time.